United Kingdom. The economy of the United Kingdom is centered around services, especially finance, professional services, and creative industries. London has developed into one of the world's leading financial centers, where banks, investment firms, and global corporations manage large amounts of capital. This position grew over centuries as the British Empire expanded trade networks across continents, placing London at the center of global commerce. In addition to finance, the United Kingdom has strong sectors in media, education, and technology. Universities attract international students, while industries such as film, music, and publishing contribute to both culture and economic activity. Manufacturing still exists, particularly in aerospace and automotive production, though it plays a smaller role than in the past. The economy remains closely connected to international markets, relying heavily on trade and global financial flow. Canada. Canada's economy is shaped by its natural resources and close trade relationships, particularly with the United States. The country produces large amounts of oil, natural gas, timber, and minerals, which are exported to global markets. These industries are supported by vast land areas rich in natural resources, especially in regions such as Alberta and British Columbia. Alongside resource extraction, Canada has developed strong service industries, including banking, real estate, and healthcare. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver serve as financial and business centers, attracting investment and skilled workers. The country also benefits from political stability, strong institutions, and a high standard of living, which make it an attractive place for both businesses and immigrants. Russia. Russia's economy is heavily influenced by its energy resources, particularly oil and natural gas. The country possesses some of the largest reserves of these resources in the world, and exporting them has become a central part of its economic structure. Revenue from energy exports supports government spending and plays a major role in the country's position in global markets. In addition to energy, Russia has industries in metals, defense manufacturing, and agriculture. Its vast geography allows for large-scale production of wheat and other crops, while industrial sectors produce machinery and military equipment. Economic growth has often been affected by global energy prices and political factors, making the economy closely tied to both natural resources and international relations. Mexico. Mexico's economy combines manufacturing, trade, and natural resources. Its location next to the United States has made it a key part of North American supply chains, with factories producing cars, electronics, and appliances that are exported across the border. Trade agreements have helped strengthen these connections, turning Mexico into an important manufacturing hub. The country also produces oil and agricultural goods such as fruits, vegetables, and coffee. Tourism plays a significant role as well, with visitors drawn to beaches, historic sites, and cultural attractions. This mix of manufacturing, exports, and services creates a diverse economy that continues to develop over time. Indonesia. Indonesia's economy is built on natural resources, agriculture, and a growing manufacturing sector. The country produces commodities such as palm oil, coal, rubber, and minerals, which are exported to global markets. Its large population and geographic position across Southeast Asia also make it an important regional economic player. In recent years, Indonesia has seen growth in manufacturing, urban development, and digital services. Cities like Jakarta have expanded rapidly, creating demand for infrastructure, transportation, and consumer goods. The combination of natural resources and a growing domestic market gives Indonesia a unique balance between traditional and modern economic activity. Turkey. Turkey's economy sits between Europe and Asia, both geographically and economically. This position has made it an important center for trade, connecting different regions through transportation and commerce. The country produces textiles, automobiles, electronics, and household goods, many of which are exported to European markets. Tourism also plays a major role, with visitors attracted to historic cities, coastal resorts, and cultural landmarks. Agriculture remains significant as well, producing crops such as wheat, fruits, and vegetables. Turkey's economy reflects a mix of industrial production, services, and trade, shaped by its strategic location and long history as a crossroads of civilizations. South Africa. South Africa's economy is one of the most developed on the African continent, built around mining, industry, and services. The country is rich in natural resources such as gold, platinum, and diamonds, which have been central to its economic development for more than a century. Mining has shaped both its economy and its global trade relationships. Beyond mining, South Africa has financial services, manufacturing, and tourism sectors. Cities like Johannesburg and Cape Town act as economic hubs, supporting banking, business, and international investment. While the country faces economic challenges, it remains a key player in regional trade and development across Africa. Netherlands. The Netherlands has a highly developed economy based on trade, logistics, and services. Its location along major European waterways has made it a key gateway for goods entering and leaving the continent. The port of Rotterdam is one of the largest in the world, handling vast amounts of international cargo. In addition to logistics, the country has strong industries in agriculture, technology, and finance. Despite its small size, the Netherlands is one of the world's largest exporters of agricultural products, using advanced farming techniques and efficient supply chains. Its open economy and global connections make it an important center for international business. Singapore. Singapore's economy is built on trade, finance, and global connectivity. Located at a major shipping route, the country developed into one of the world's busiest ports, handling goods moving between Asia, Europe, and beyond. Over time, it transformed itself into a financial center, attracting banks, investment firms, and multinational corporations. The government invested heavily in infrastructure, education, and technology, helping Singapore create a highly efficient and modern economy. Industries such as electronics manufacturing, biotechnology, and digital services now complement its financial sector. Despite having limited natural resources, Singapore's strategic location and strong governance have allowed it to become one of the most advanced economies in the world. Italy. Italy's economy combines manufacturing, agriculture, and cultural industries. The country is known for producing high-quality goods such as fashion, furniture, machinery, and luxury products. Many of these industries are based on small and medium-sized businesses that specialize in craftsmanship and design. Tourism also plays a major role, with millions of visitors traveling to Italy each year to experience its history, art, and cuisine. Agriculture contributes as well, particularly in the production of wine, olive oil, and regional foods. Italy's economy reflects a balance between tradition and modern industry, shaped by its long cultural history and diverse regional strengths.